Guys, get ready for nostalgia but with a touch of the future. Aprilia is making a comeback to the supermoto segment with something that has been long awaited by lovers of aggressive and adrenaline-filled motorcycles. A reincarnation of a legend that made the supermoto world excited more than a decade ago. Yup, we're talking about the Aprilia Dorsoduro 750. Speaking of the Dorsoduro, we have to go back to 2008. That's when Aprilia first introduced the Dorsoduro 750, a supermoto-style motorcycle with a 749 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, savage power, and wild handling. It immediately stole the hearts of riders who wanted a fun bike that was still powerful. Unfortunately, production of the Dorsoduro 750 was officially halted in early 2016 due to strict emission regulations and a change in product development direction. But its fans never really moved on. And now, after almost a decade, Aprilia is reportedly going to resurrect the big name. But this is no mere remake. This all-new Dorsoduro comes with an all-new design, more modern, more aggressive, and certainly more compliant with the increasingly stringent 5 Euro plus regulations. Welcome to 2025 all-new Aprilia Dorsoduro 750. From the looks of it, we know it's no joke. Sporting a hybrid Street Fighter Supermotard style, the Dorsoduro 2025 is aggressive with a sleek and sharp silhouette. The elegant black finish trellis frame is fused with a reinforced aluminum swing arm, resulting in a lightweight but rigid chassis for maximum stability during fast corners and wild wheelies. The gold color on the frame and alloy wheels gives a premium, racing-inspired touch, while the red-black combination on the fenders and front fairing gives a brutal, hooligan bike feel. Aprilia has retained the character of the 750 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that characterized the old Dorsoduro, but this time it has been refined to meet 5 Euro plus emission regulations without sacrificing power. Featuring a large diameter USD upside-down front suspension, the Dorsoduro 2025 offers superior damping performance for traversing bumpy roads or landing after a jump. The wide supermoto-style handlebars combined with a high seating position provide full visibility and control, ideal for wheelies, slides, or just a stylish city ride. Unfortunately, this is just a CG rendering from Spike designers. But is the Dorsoduro really coming back?